Here's how you get more views and more subscribers in 1 minute. Here's my meditation channel. This video right here, published 2 days ago, has over 2,000 views. It is my 4th highest viewed video on this channel. You can see 20 views, we got 66 views, 51 views. So to have 2,000 views on this video, remarkable. Let me show you what I did. Be sure to apply this to your YouTube channel. You can see that it also gained 23 subscribers. Normally I gain about 23 subscribers in a week on this channel. You can see right here, YouTube search, 91.6% of the traffic. You need to know what viewers are searching for. 2, look at this thumbnail. I found a very popular video that had a similar style of thumbnail, and I created a variation of it. Thumbnails on this YouTube channel were not created by chance. It was very intentional. Click-through rate is 15.9%, which is huge. And of this 5-minute video, the average view duration is 4 minutes and 22 seconds. Topic, thumbnail, and hold their attention. Now, if you want to find the topics that your audience is searching for, click this video on screen now and in the description box below, how to find low competition, high traffic keywords. Thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next one.